Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find bot in Midjourney. First, open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the target Midjourney server where the bot is already active. Once you are in the server, access the required text channel where the Midjourney bot has sent messages. Locate any message sent by the Midjourney bot. Click on the message and a pop-up menu will appear. From the available options, select Add App. This will open a new menu. In the new menu, select Add to Server and then choose the target server where you want to add the Midjourney bot. After selecting the target server, click on the Continue button. Another way of doing this is through In the World channel. Simply navigate to the channel and then access its members list. Inside it, click on Midjourney, select Add App, and then follow the same procedure. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.